মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল, আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টোত তোমালোকলৈ লৈ আহিছোঁ পঞ্চম শ্ৰেণীৰ ইংৰাজী বিষয়ৰ দ্বিতীয় পাঠ দ্য জয় অৱ হেল্পিং। সহায় কৰাৰ আনন্দ। ইয়াত তোমালোকে দেখিছা চাৰিখন ছবি আছে। প্ৰথম ছবিখনত দেখিছা এজনী সৰু ছোৱালীয়ে দুজন বৃদ্ধ লোকক ৰাস্তা পাৰ হোৱাত সহায় কৰি দিছে। আৰু এইখন ছবিত দেখিছা গছত বগাবলৈ এজন মানুহে প্ৰস্তুত হৈছে আৰু আনজনে তেওঁক এডাল জখলা আনি দি সহায় কৰিছে। এই ফটোখনত দেখিছা এটা হাতী পোৱালি বোকাৰ মাজত পৰি আছে আৰু ৰাইজে সেই হাতী পোৱালিটো উদ্ধাৰ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে চেষ্টা কৰিছে। এইখন ছবিত দেখিছা বৰষুণৰ সময়ত দুজনী সৰু ছোৱালীয়ে একেটা ছাতিৰ তলতে আগুৱাই গৈছে। এইবোৰ হৈছে সহায় কৰাৰ আনন্দ। যি হওক, আজি আমি দ্য জয় অৱ হেল্পিং পাঠটো পঢ়িবলৈ শিকিম। আহাচোন আমি সকলো একেলগে পাঠটো পঢ়িবলৈ শিকোঁ। দ্য জয় অৱ হেল্পিং। The school bell rang. Raju, Nita and Geeta rushed to school as they were getting late. The morning assembly was about to begin. Somehow they managed to join the assembly. At the end of the assembly, the headmaster announced, "I have something very important to tell you. We all know about the earthquake that occurred yesterday. It destroyed many areas in our neighboring districts. People have lost their homes and belongings. Many people have died and many have got injured. So we must help these people. Please contribute whatever is possible for you. You can give food items, fresh or dry, water bottles, clothes, money, etc. Tomorrow, after morning assembly, we will collect your contributions and a team of teachers and students representing our school will go to the affected area and distribute these items among the earthquake victims." During the lunch break, Nita, Geeta and Raju discussed what they would contribute. Raju: "I would like to give food items like bread, biscuits and fruits." Geeta: "That's great. I'll contribute some money and a carton of drinking water." Nita: "Please suggest what I should contribute." Raju: "Why don't you bring some clothes? You can collect some from your neighbors' homes too. You can also collect some containers to store food. That will be of great help to the affected people." Nita: "Thanks a lot, Raju, for your suggestions. I will try to collect what you suggested." Geeta: "Can anyone help me bring the bottles of water, or shall I ask the shop to deliver them to the school?" Raju: "I think you can talk to the headmaster." Next day at school, all the children and teachers assembled in the school playground with their contributions. The headmaster thanked all of them for their support. The goods van and the team of teachers and students then left for their destination. In an hour, they reached the earthquake-affected place. They were very sad at the plight and misery of the people there. They distributed the things among the people. Everyone was very grateful to the volunteers for their help. The team members felt very happy to have helped the people in distress. Raju said to himself, "Helping people in need is a really wonderful feeling. The next time I see anyone in such a plight, I must try to help." ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, আজিলৈ ইমানেই। আশা কৰোঁ ভিডিঅ'টিৰ দ্বাৰা তোমালোক উপকৃত হ'বা আৰু এনেধৰণৰ ভিডিঅ' পাই থাকিবলৈ মোৰ চেনেলটো চাই থাকিবা আৰু বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকলকো শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিবা।